Morning to all of you class. Today I am Alpna going to discuss a new chapter which is a poem. Chapter number 12, Tiger, from your CV book of class 5. Okay. So this poem is written by K.K. and Daruwala, who is a very renowned poet. Okay. Let's describe about K.K. and Daruwala. This poem Tiger by K.K. and Daruwala, it is a plea not to kill tigers. Okay. The tigers are getting extinct and this poet has given a plea not to kill tigers. It is a parody. Okay. In this poem, it is shown that tiger is in an extinct condition. It is a pitiable creature, and as it is near to extinct, therefore there is a urge to take a step not to kill, instead to protect the particular animal. It is a ferocious animal. It's a national animal. So let's begin with the explanation. Okay. In the very first stanza, the tiger isn't burning bright. This line is a reference from the poem The Tiger by William Blake. This line is taken from the reference of the poem The Tiger, which was written by William Blake, which begins with Tiger, tiger burning bright. Okay, so this line is taken as a reference from a different poem written by William Blake. In shadow or in sun, that means tiger is always in a brightness. Tiger is always a symbol of power, even in the sun or in the shadow. Even if it is in sun, even if it is in shadow, it is a symbol of strength. It is a symbol of power. Okay. So the tiger family is thinning 2 by 2 and 1 by 1. Thinning means it is becoming fewer in number. It is then less in number. It has been killed mercilessly, ferociously by many of the hunters. Okay. So tiger family is thinning 2 by 2 and 1 by 1. It is getting extinct. The tiger isn't burning bright in the forest of the night or in the wilderness of the day. We need to understand the plight. In this stanza, what the poet wants to give an explanation is that in the forest, whether in the night or in the daytime, it is in full power. Wherever the animal is, the people are getting fear of it. Okay, there is a sense that yes, it is a national animal. The fear remains there. So whether in the night or in whether in the thick forest or the not dense forest, we can easily take into a view that yes, there is a great, ferocious, strong, powerful animal. Or in the wilderness of the day. Wilderness means the thing is, in the thick forest or in the dense forest, we can find tiger. We need to understand the plight. Now what is happening? No, earlier we were having a different situation. The tiger was there. But nowadays, it is a difficult situation for the tiger that they are being killed for the various things, for the fur, for the bones. And so in this situation, we are not getting animals. We are not getting tiger, which is less in number nowadays. Okay, so in this two stanza, what the poet wants to explain us that earlier the tiger was a symbol of power. It was in a burning bright. It was whether it is in shadow or in sun, there was a fear for this animal. But nowadays, since the hunters are killing them mercilessly, so there is a difficult situation for them and it is getting extinct. So in the next two stanza, in the next video, I would be explaining you the later half. Okay, till then, thank you.